In this video, we will be learning about passing the variable number of non-keyword arguments to function and variable number of keyword arguments to the function. So let's take an example. I am defining a function named addup, and inside that I am going to put x, y and z. So there are three arguments in this function. So I am going to print the sum, and then I will add x, y and z, x, y and z. Okay, and now if I call the function and put the arguments like this, so when I will run the program, it is saying there are 9 arguments, but it can only take 3 because we have defined here 3 arguments. So first we'll take an example of non-keyword argument. So this will take multiple non-keyword argument. So let me take an example of this. So I'm going to create addup, and it is defined by the star and then the argument, then sum equals 0 for n in num. I will add sum equals sum plus n, and then I will just print the sum. Now I will call the addup and put some variables. Here there are 5, and then here I am going to take multiple arguments. So when I run it, so you can see it is taking multiple non-keyword arguments. So now we will take the example of multiple keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. So like above example, we will just put double star in this intro, and then double star data, and then we'll print the data type of the argument /n data type of argument. Okay, and then I will just put the type of the data. Now I will make a for statement for key and value in data dot items, and then I will print is, and then dot format key and value, and now I will call the intro function intro, and I will put some keywords inside it. So I am taking first name equals, let's say Subhadra, and then I am going to take the age equals 24, and phone equals 888-1212. Now I will just copy it, and again I will call this and change the data inside it. So first name I am going to take as Draupadi, let's say age is 42, phone number is 4242, and I am going to add email also inside it. Email is equals panchali@gmail.com. So when I run it, so you can see First it is giving the data type of the argument, which is dictionary, and then it is printing the name, age and phone number.